Having good degree, having good knowledge, but you are not getting good job. Why this is happening? This is the problem which is called problem of unemployment. This is the problem of main one of the main problem of the Indian youth, right? You are having good degree, good knowledge, but you are lacking in communication skills. That's why it is happening with you, right? Having good degree, having good communications, having good degree, having good knowledge, having good even information, even then you are not getting good job, you are not getting good salaries, you are not getting good designation which you deserve according to your information, your knowledge and your degree. But why you are not getting your deserving job? Because you are lacking in communication skills. You are not able to express your views and ideas, or you are not able to express your qualities. You are not able to present your qualities and your abilities towards others. So that's why you are lacking in jobs, right? So this is happening because of you are lacking in confidence, you are lacking in communication skills, and you don't have good command on English language. That's why this is happening with the most of the Indian youth. And because of these things, Indian youth is going into depression. They are going under depression. They are having some depressions, they are having some anxieties, right? So this is happening because you don't have communication skills. To improve these communication skills, we have some formulas, steps or tips. In this video we will discuss with these things. First one is develop basic vocabulary. If you speak again and again, if you try to speak or express your views and ideas with others, then it will boost your vocabulary. If you listen others, this will improve your listening skills and your vocabulary, and this vocabulary you can use while speaking. If you write something, whenever you write, you have to think, or you have to think deeply, then you can fetch the words, and these words will remain in your mind, and you can use these words as a vocabulary. And most important, one another thing is that reading. Whenever you read again and again, this also will give you some vocabulary words. This vocabulary words you can use while speaking. So reading, listening and writing is also important. This will increase your vocabulary. Vocabulary words will give you confidence and give the fluency to your spoken English language, and you will be able to speak properly. Right? Second one is modals and other words. Even if you understand, and if you know how to use can, could, may, might, shall, should, so you will be able to use these words, these modals, idioms, very easily in your spoken language, and this will give this flow to your spoken language, right? This flow will become fluent and you can speak fluently, right? Next one is tenses. If you know how to use the tenses, because tense tells about the time of the action, and if you explain the action, then you need to understand that how to use the time, how to use words and vocabulary according to the time. So it will boost your spoken language. Most of it. Another thing is introspection in English language. Whenever you speak, you need to think in English, talk to yourself in English language, right? Problem is, we can understand English language, right? But whenever we need to speak, then we go blank because we don't able to find proper words and vocabulary while speaking. So introspection in English will boost your spoken language, right? Next one is practice. Practice a lot so that you can speak. Practice a lot so that you can speak. If you practice, then you will be able to speak fluently. Flow will be there in your spoken language. Now see one thing, that if we speak in our native language, our native language is like Punjabi, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, we don't have to think while speaking in these language. Why it happens? Because from our childhood we are speaking these languages continuously, right? So that's why we are very fluent and fast to communicate in our native language. Same is with English language. Use English language as much as you can, right? This practice will give you the fluency to your spoken words, and your spoken English will be good, right? Listen English stuffs. While listening, you will get information about speaking, means how to speak the word, how to pronounce the word, how to give the stress while speaking on the words, sentences, right? This will boost your vocal cord as well, and your vocal or spoken mechanism. This will be very helpful for you while speaking. So that's why listen the stuff, and listen and get the information that how native English speakers are speaking, and speaking the words and pronounce the word, which way and how they pronounce the words. So follow these tips. You will see that after 1 or 2 months there will be a great boost in your spoken language, and this will be very beneficial for you. And to improve more, keep watching my videos.